That's my engine compartment of my 2010 ZDX. This car is so clean, it's really nice. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Such a cool car. So the backup camera is a little bit outdated on this car, but for 15 years old, it's actually pretty good. This thing drives so nice. So the reason I like this car is the way it drives. The fit of this car is just perfect. The steering wheel is thick. It's a nice thick rim on the steering wheel. The short gear shifter feels sporty. Wide center console. This is a 2010 ZDX Advance. They only made this for 4 years. It's kind of funny because it came out the same time as the BMW X6, which is a similar style, the coupe-looking SUV. For whatever reason, it didn't do well. And they only sold 7,000 of these. Kind of strange, because it really is an amazing car. Traffic. Come on, move out of the way. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try this again. Oh, that engine sounds so healthy. Some of these little curvy roads like this are really quite fun. I'm gonna switch to sport just to give the suspension some stiffness around these bends, because I am gonna take some of these really quick. I mean, it still handles really a lot like a small car. I am going 60 miles an hour, by the way. And it just hugs the road. I don't know how it hugs the road, but it's quite impressive. It's really neat. And again, the positioning of this seat. Wow, the seat, steering wheel. Visibility's good. Even the back window with this split rear window like that. I mean, most of what you're seeing in the traffic is in the upper half of the window. And I've had a CRX, 2 of them. It had a window like that. I had a CRZ. It also had a window like that. I think I like these kind of cars with these split rear windows. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. In watching reviews at the time of 2010, when people reviewed this car when it came out, some of them would say it has modest power or whatever. I can't imagine what they're comparing it to. I don't understand how something like this would be not enough for the average. My God, I mean, how could this not have enough power to make you say, wow? It's exhilarating. It's exhilarating. Take this road. Yeah, let's take this road. I don't know what this road is. Let's try it. This looks like a windy little hill type road. Wow. It pulls up this steep hill like nothing. Oh my God. You can see the incline of this hill. Holy shit. And it pulls like it's nothing. It's like there's nothing to it. In fact, I'm going to go back down this way and see where this goes. Oh my gosh. This car is a dream to drive. It is a driver's car. There is no better way to describe the Acura ZDX, the first generation, than a driver's car. Just make a left ripping it. This thing has no business going this fast.